have fun. Thank you.
Not a check. Aircoolers. Oh ja. Zalig. Het is nog maar ochtend. Gewoon geen oude lopen.
Illusions. We've talked about them a little bit. So our cars are illusions too, some of them. You're going to see the Ferrari from Magnum PI. It's actually on your screens right now. It'll be the second car you see in the lineup. That is not a real Ferrari, and it has nothing to do with money. It's just that the engine of a Ferrari is too loud. It would interfere with filming. According to Back to the Future, we should be flying our cars right now. And let me tell you, before there was Tesla, there were Flintstones cars. The first green car. They don't work, I hate to tell you. They were pulled by another car. That's how we got those to work. Now, some of the cars from Fast and Furious are real. Some of them don't even have engines inside. If they're just for looks, for the background of a scene, it's not going to have an engine, and we're also going to use really cheap materials like plastic, even styrofoam, wood, because it's cheaper and lighter. If nobody's going to drive it, then we don't need it to be a real car. In fact, this tank from Transformers, it's made out of balsa wood. Give it up to our set painters in Hollywood that make wood look like nuts and bolts and metal. It's pretty incredible. You're going to see another picture car. It looks like it's in front, but it's going to be on your right in just a moment. That is a Mercedes car from the Jurassic Park movies. Why, Freddy? Well, that is called product placement, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, a picture awaits us. Please hold on to your personal belongings. Remain seated at all times. Keep your arms and legs aside. And now, welcome to Squall Island. What is it, the pole? No, on the left it's a flash flood heading straight for the tram. Take cover.
So my bad. Reggie, my bad. Your bad? Our bad. Thousands of gallons of water up the top of the hill that we released to show you exactly what a flash flood looks like.
Oh no! Blood, 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 and death. Everyone, please take your seats and please sit down and remain seated as we make our way across the dock. I think our boys have caught the wrong shark. The real Jaws is still out there. Our only hope now will be if he takes the bait attached to the yellow buoy in the harbor. He's taking the bait. He's taking the pier. Uh-oh, on the right, look out!
Okay, everybody in the fourth car that's blonde, look alive, look alive. There you go. Okay, all right. See, that was a close one. We had some blondes in the fourth car. All right, welcome to the crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. To answer all of your questions, yes, that is a real plane. That is a real 747 Boeing aircraft that was bought and destroyed just for 5 minutes of the movie. That's it. How much did the plane cost? $60,000. How much did it cost to get here? $200,000. Here's a little bit more on the movie.
The airplane
crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
I'm the reason the boogeyman begs his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason you just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
All right.
The hell you are.
Oh.
On the ground right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Okay. It's like that. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Not unless we just clear out the other ones we can't guarantee your safety. Sean traced us. I just can't hold them forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Who doesn't know how to put these things on? If your number of eyes does not match the number of lenses, these telelenses, we have minion goggles for every ocular variety. Enjoy your minion goggles. Minions? Okay, no, they're good. Do what I say. Heed my words or pay the price.
And have fun.
Ja, du man. Ja.
New episodes of The Walking Dead this October in your
So digital animators will start with this skeleton, then they can change the aspect ratio, add a wire frame on top. Finally, they can add skins. Using this technology, we can turn Eric into anything that we want. Eric, we've turned you into a cuddly, friendly teddy bear. Oh, not just any teddy bear.
What's that?
You're the star of Universal's Ted.
Oh, friggin' sweet.
Hey, wait outside that nightclub.
Okay, here we go. Yes. Ryan, you ready? Ann, are you ready? Ready. Julie.
At the completion of the shot, Brian will make his way to this fire blanket where he will be extinguished. At that point, we are looking for a thumbs up that he is okay. If Brian gives us a thumbs down, that is an alert to get our medical team involved. Now, these are trained professionals using very special equipment. This is not the type of thing anyone should ever think about trying on their own. This is Brian's 22nd burn. He's going to go for 8 to 10 seconds. I'll leave it to our booth to set the lights in the house. Set our clock to 0 on the side screens. Everyone, please remain in your seats for the duration of the stunt. And when filming a stunt like this, you want to get it right the first time. You don't want to have to do take 2. Brian does not. Whenever you're ready, Scott.
Ann, are you ready? Ready. Ryan, you ready? Ready.
Ready and action!
Lighted. You're late.
Theaters opening. Take one. Lights. Camera. And action.
Live from Universal Studios Hollywood, welcome to Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, my name is JD Summers, and I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. This is Reed. He's a golden retriever. He was a puppy in the movie Super Buddies. I grew up next door to a reptile expert, so as a young kid, I got to learn about taking care of and handling all different kinds of exotic species. But it wasn't until I got picked as a volunteer here at the animal show that I realized I could make a career out of taking care of many different animals.
Iris and Olympus are Eurasian eagle owls, and you might recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. You might also recognize them from television shows such as Bones, CSI, and most recently, a Geico commercial. And a beautiful flight by baby. Get in your mind. Good girl, stay. Now the purpose of the workaway is to make it look like Nanu is interacting with our actress Violet, but really she's going to be paying attention to me standing behind her. Now the way we set that up is I'll take one of her favorite doggy treats and place it right here on the movie set for her to focus on. And then I'm going to boom behind her and I'm going to work her only using my verbal cues. And that's why we call it the workaway. Stay. We're gonna try that one again. Lie down. On your feet, stay. Sit up, stay. Alright, you can have it. And folks, that's Nanu and the workaway. That's bad, but I think you guys can do better. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action! That's what I'd like to hear. Now let me explain how this scene's gonna work. We want our dog to start by jumping over our human hurdle, then weave through these poles, shoot through the tunnel, jump back over Kai, and finish off by ringing the bell. Now we can only audition one dog at a time, so it looks like Blue is up first. She's in position. Here we go. Make some noise. Lights, camera, action! Over the hurdle, through the poles, into the tunnel, and ring the bell. All right. Nicely done, not bad at all. All right, great job, you guys. You can go relax now. All right, we got Dex up next. Here we go. Cheer them on, folks. Lights, camera, action! Over, I don't think that counts. What's he doing? Becky, what's he doing? What's happening? He's doing it all wrong. Completely wrong. Dude, that is disgusting. I'm sorry. Don't touch it, just let it dry, okay? Kai, you did a great job. Thank you so much for helping us out and being a good sport. You get a backpack with a poster and a notebook as well. There you go. Folks, how about a big round of applause for our volunteer?
It's okay, those are our friends. Eyes on me. Zulu. Eyes on me. Back. 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 Hold. Hold for pictures, Zulu.
Yeah, we probably should see it also too. Good.